maybe I never knew what I really wanted. But looking back, I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Carla. Thank you so much for stopping by today. So we are starting off the video with my Vibe Organics. I have been taking these shots for about a month now. Not a lot of people like them. My husband does take them as well. I make my son take them. He doesn't like it, but I make him take it. Not every day, maybe every 3 days I make him take one, but I think they're pretty good. Then I went ahead and made myself some breakfast. I got these egg bites from Walmart. Now they are not like the Starbucks ones, but close enough. So I had a lot to do on this day and I started really early, but afterwards, I don't know what happened, but my hands were hurting really bad. I don't know what I did. I was just cleaning, so I have no idea what happened to me on this day, but I had a lot of laundry to do and I wanted to make sure that everything got done. So this was a Thursday and my stepkids were coming the following day. So I really wanted to make sure that the house was clean. That way we can spend the weekend having family time and I didn't have to worry about laundry or cleaning or deep cleaning or anything like that. So I wanted to go ahead and get everything done, or at least everything that I could get done on this day. And then that way, like I said, when they got to us the following day, all we had to do was just have a fun weekend. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave it a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get into this.
Translation, where nothing makes sense anymore.
Okay, and here is my Dyson. I had washed it I cleaned the filter in my last video and I let it dry for a few days and then I went ahead and sprayed my Tide on there, and as I was vacuuming, I can definitely smell that Tide and it did not smell like my dog. Alright guys, so I want to share this with you really fast. So this is what came out of my little carpet area here and then all around, and all I did was just vacuum the hardwood over there, the carpet on that side, some over here, and just basically this room. And this is what I got. And y'all saw me put this back together. I had washed it a few days ago. I put this all back together. This was nice and clean. It was empty. And look at all that I just grabbed from just this section all the way around, all this. That is actually pretty impressive and gross all at the same time. that is how much nastiness was just sitting on my carpet and on my floor. But okay, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next room.
It goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, keep it steady cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa, no, not yet, whoa, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, I'm not ready, let me have another day. I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up. I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do.
Okay, and at this point, my phone went off alerting me that there was a tornado watch. So I wanted to go ahead and get the trash taken out. But I want to talk to you guys about these trash bags here. So we grabbed these at a Walmart in Panama City because we just needed some trash bags. And these were the only ones that they had. It was like this is definitely not a name brand, but they are so cheaply made. I am so shocked how cheap they are made. Like any little thing they will tear, but I wanted to use them up. Just the other night my son was like, why are we still using these cheap bags, mom? And the way I put it in the trash can just now was the only way that I can make it not rip as much. I know that everyone's seen that TikTok where the trash bag, you have to like put it over the actual can and then push it down, like push the bag in, which is what I do now since I had no idea that that's what you're supposed to do. But if you do that with these bags, the bag will completely tear like into pieces, like literally pieces. So I just had to share that. I don't remember the brand, but I just cannot believe that they actually sell bags like this. The next thing I was doing here, I was taking out my husband's clothes here and putting them in the dryer. And then I went ahead and wanted to wash the blankets. So I have been using the Lysol sanitizer in the wash for the last, I want to say a couple of weeks, maybe three weeks maybe. And I am so loving it. And I love the way it makes everything smell. These blankets, when they were done, they smelled so nice. Like they just smelled really fresh and really clean. And then I went ahead and started to make my breakfast. So I wanted to kind of do like a breakfast prep just because in the morning time I have been kind of rushing and I don't like eating processed food. Like I had an egg bite that I've been trying these egg bites from Walmart. They're kind of like the Starbucks egg bites, but I am trying to just like, get back into my routine of having like my keto meals and things like that. So I wanted to go ahead and prep this. So this is hemp seeds. I don't use oats, obviously, because that's a carb, but I've been using this milk, Califia, I think is how you call it. Khalifa, I don't know. But I used to use the Silk almond milk. And I was just not liking that. So I swapped out to this brand and I am loving it. And the other day at Publix, I saw this coconut almond milk flavor. I was like, let me go ahead and try it. And it is so good, you guys. Like I am definitely liking this brand. I have tried, I think Almond Breeze. There's just something about it that I'm just not liking. So definitely give this milk a try and definitely give this breakfast a try. It is so delicious and it's so healthy. Okay, so I noticed this spot on the stove, so I pulled up my Scrub Daddy Power Paste. This thing is amazing, you guys. I use this everywhere, all around the house. I also use the pink stuff, but I honestly like using this better. So I get mine at Target. It's about $10, and I don't know if Walmart sells it. I've never seen it there, and I don't know if Publix sells it either because I've never really honestly looked for it there. But I don't know if anyone else sells it any cheaper, but I know it's about $9.99 at Target, and you definitely have to pick it up and give it a try.
I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why I shine, you're the reason why. I thought I caught your eyes, but love is blind. I thought I saw you smile.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy.
Okay, and here is the dinner that I am going to make. So when I picked my son up from school, we stopped at Publix and we got a rotisserie chicken because I wanted to make a chicken salad. So I dropped him off at his appointment, and then I came home and I started shredding the chicken, and Bella came and laid right beside me to my left. You can't see her, but she's laying there waiting for me to drop some chicken. So if you see me drop some chicken, that is because I'm giving her a little piece of chicken with some skin because she is like laying right on my foot to my left. But as I was about to cut the apple and then mix in the mayo, my son called me and said for me to pick him up. So I left, so I had to put this on pause, and I came back and finished it. And you guys, this was delicious.
Got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through a labyrinth.
Okay, so I added purple onions, almonds, pine nuts, and apples and bacon, and then I mixed it with mayo, and then of course I added some salt and black pepper, but I am allergic to apples. I did eat the chicken salad, but I did pick the apples. Now, I'm not allergic to the point where I need an EpiPen, but I will begin to itch around my lips and my throat will be a little itchy, but it's not anything serious. So I'm allergic to a lot of things. Strawberry definitely I cannot have. But yeah, so I just picked the apples out. I meant to, before putting the apples in, I meant to take out a little bit of chicken salad for me, but it was fine. I just picked the apples and I was perfectly fine, and this tastes amazing. But after we were done, after everyone ate, I went ahead and used that leftover apple that you see on the cutting board. I didn't use the whole entire apple because, like I said, I'm allergic to it. So I ended up doing a stovetop potpourri. So I grabbed some cinnamon sticks, some ground cinnamon, and then I just added the apple to the pot, and oh my gosh, you guys, that smelled so good that I actually had it on all night. Well, not all night, up until about maybe 10 o'clock. Then I turned it off and I left this on the stove. And then the following morning I woke up and I turned it on and I had it on for about 4 or 5 hours, you guys. It smelled so good. I think next time I'm just going to try it on my crock pot. A lot of people do that versus the stove just because you have to keep adding water to it. But this smelled so good, you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys in my next one.
Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. What I